Hello students and welcome back to CBSE TeckTalks. In today's video we will learn what is NumPy, why it is used in Python programming and how to create NumPy array from lists using Python code with examples. So let's start with, first of all, what is NumPy? NumPy is one of the most popular Python libraries used for numerical and scientific calculations. The word NumPy stands for numerical Python. It provides support for arrays and mathematical operations, making calculations faster and more efficient. The features of NumPy are: it provides many useful features. It allows fast processing of data, supports one-dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays, and include built-in functions which are used for mathematical calculations. Installing NumPy, first of all we need to install, before using NumPy we need to install it in Python. We can install it using command and prompt, and in the command prompt we can write pip install NumPy, pip install NumPy. After installing, NumPy is imported using import NumPy as np. Now this is a Python code to import. In this example we import the NumPy library using the alias np. So instead of writing NumPy everywhere, we can write these two characters, that is np. This shorter name makes coding easier and is commonly used by programmer. In all the books you will find np as an alias for NumPy, so the same we are going to go with. Introduction to NumPy array. A NumPy array is a collection of elements of the same data type. Arrays are faster and more memory efficient compared to Python list. NumPy arrays are created using numpy.array function. So we need to use numpy.array function. Creating NumPy array from list. NumPy allows us to create arrays directly from Python lists. We use the numpy.array function to convert a list into an array. So in the next coding we will be doing one example. So this is a code example in which we are using NumPy as well as you are using numpy.array function here. Now if you see here, let me explain it and then I will show you in the Python IDLE also. Import NumPy as np. So NumPy we have used alias as np. MyList is a list in Python which consists of 4 elements and they are 10, 20, 30, 40. So this list is converted into array using NumPy, that is np.array, and we have passed MyList as a parameter to the function and then prints. Let me copy this and let me try on IDLE. Now we know that in Python these spaces are going to create some issue. So I am copying as it is what was there, and let's see how it works. So this is the coding. Let's run it. Run module. You need to save the source coding. So I am saving in my D drive where I used to save all the Python codings, and let the name be numpy2. And let's wait. Okay, so we have displayed print array. And what is array? Array is nothing but the list which is converted into an array using np.array function, and all the elements of list are displayed. I hope it is clear, this coding. Let's move to next. Now one-dimensional array. A 1D array contains elements arranged in single row. It is similar to a simple list in Python. Now here I want to tell you some differences between Python list and NumPy. When we talk about the library requirement, there is no library required for Python list, but for NumPy we require NumPy library. Data types in Python list, it can store different types of data, while in NumPy array usually same type of data is stored. When we talk about the performance, Python lists are slower for numerical operations, while the NumPy array are faster and optimized for calculation. Memory usage in Python list use more memory, while NumPy uses less memory. Limited support is there in list, while NumPy supports vectorization operations. When we talk about multiple dimension support, nested list needed required in Python, while there are built-in functions in NumPy. Syntax of Python list is simple and flexible, while of NumPy it is scientific and mathematical. Python list is used for general purpose programming, while NumPy arrays are used for scientific computing and data analysis in machine language. Let's move to the next. This is the code in which we are straight away writing, we are passing the list. In the previous code, if you have seen here, one list was assigned and then the list was passed. So even you can pass this way also. This is also going to give you same answer. Let me show this coding also, and we will do all the coding of this video in one file only. Let me save the other file. So the same thing again, we have to give spaces, we have to remove. The first one is I have imported, and then a list is given, and we are passing the list elements using square brackets. So all the elements of list are put in square brackets, and that is passed straight away. So the difference is, in this case we have values 10, 20, 30, while it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's run this. Click on run module, click on OK. This time it is not going to ask for the file name because it is going to save in the same file. So this is first list and this is second list. This is first array, you can say, because we are going with array here, and this is second array. Let's move to next. Two-dimensional array. Now when we talk about two-dimensional array, 2D array contains rows and columns. It is commonly used for storing tables, matrices and structured data. How to go with it? There is one way, that is using Python, using nested, you can say list. So I have imported, and then this is a nested list, and that is passed. How it is nested list, let me show you. In the same line, if we write, it will be more clear to you. This is one list. If you see, this is one square bracket and this is the ending of the square bracket. In this list there is one more list, and that is passed to the function NumPy array. Let me show you this also. Let me write here break. And let me write one print statement. It will be easy. I am writing 2D array. It will be easy to understand what exactly is coming as an output. So let me give spacing here also. And here also, wherever the space is given in the PPT, it is creating problems. So there are three functions now, or three codes, and this is 2D array. This is coming first array and this is coming second array. So two arrays are there coming as one by one. I hope it is clear. Let's move to next. Advantages of NumPy arrays. NumPy array provide many advantages such as fast calculation, less memory usage, and support for advanced mathematical operations. In the previous slide, when I gave you difference between NumPy and list, all these points were given. Now, what are the applications of NumPy? NumPy is widely used in data science, machine learning, scientific research, and artificial intelligence applications. In conclusion, NumPy is powerful Python library used for numerical computing. NumPy are efficient and easy to use, making them essential for modern programming and data analysis. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon for more educational content and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.